In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the area of an irregular shape in AutoCAD using hatch. By the end, you'll be able to measure the area of any closed uneven boundary quickly and reliably using a simple built-in tool. Let's get started by activating the hatch tool. With your drawing open, click into the command line and type hatch, then press enter. This brings up the hatch creation option so we can tell AutoCAD how to fill the shape we want to measure. Using the command line is fast and consistent, and it helps ensure you're launching the exact tool you need for area calculations. Next, choose a hatch pattern. For measuring area, solid is the most dependable choice because it produces a clean, uniform fill. It's easy to see on screen and avoids any confusion that can come from patterned lines. If you do prefer a pattern for visual reasons, that's fine, the area result will be the same, but solid keeps things simple and clear. You can also adjust properties like color to make the hatch stand out from your geometry, which helps when you're verifying that the correct region is filled. Now pick the boundary. Move your cursor inside the irregular shape you want to measure and click. AutoCAD will detect the closed boundary and create a hatch that fills the area. If the hatch doesn't appear, it usually means the boundary isn't perfectly closed. Tiny gaps or overlapping lines can prevent a proper fill. Zoom in and visually confirm that your outline is continuous. Also be mindful of interior holes or islands. The hatch will respect those and exclude them from the fill, which affects the final area, exactly as it should for accurate results. Finally, check the hatch properties, select the hatch you just created, and open the properties palette if it isn't visible. In the geometry section, you'll see the area value. That number is the area of your irregular shape, calculated automatically by AutoCAD. Remember that the value is reported in your drawing's current units. So if you're drawing in meters, the area will be in square meters. If you're in millimeters, it will be in square millimeters. For clarity, you can rename a layer or add a note indicating the units. But the key measurement is right there in the hatch properties. A quick tip, keep the hatch associative, so if you edit the boundary later, the hatch and its area updates automatically. That's all there is to it. Activate hatch, choose solid, click inside the boundary, and read the area from the properties. Simple, fast, and accurate.